So I'm here with Anna at Uncover Britain. How are you doing, Anna?
Hello, good, thank you.
The last time we met was at my house, and you came to me with this kind of concept. It was still early days, wasn't it, for Uncover Britain? Tell us a bit about it and how people can engage with it.
Well, we used to run a hire business and people were asking us all of the time to recommend places to go.
So let me stop with this. So motorhome hire business.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember well.
Very enjoyable, but because we kept getting asked about destinations, we thought that it would be the next natural step to develop that idea. So we got on board with a lot of tourist boards and started working with this project, and it's been really exciting. We're motorhomes ourselves and camper vanners, so we're using our own experience as well. And it's been a project that we've been undergoing for a couple of years and developed into a membership website.
So it's how much?
It's $29.99 normally.
Yeah.
Today at the show we're doing a show code for $19.99. That's for a year.
For a year. And what do you get for the year?
27 road trips, routes, maps, extra premium content. So we've got hidden gems, viewpoints, wild swim spots, film and TV locations, all sorts of things.
So for 20 quid you get 27 road trips?
It will save you absolutely hours and hours and hours.
That's incredible value. That's amazing. And have you done all these road trips yourself?
We've done a large amount of them, yeah, but we've had researchers helping us with them as well.
That's brilliant. And you're working with the local tourist boards. Are you selling them into them or getting them to sponsor them to you? How is that working?
They've been supporting and helping us with it. So, yeah, we're working together. They've been really helpful. We're running a competition at the minute with Cotswolds Tourism. I don't know if you can see on there. Win £500 worth of experiences. The experiences are part of the experiences that you can access via our Cotswolds road trip.
It's fantastic, Anna. And what interest have you had so far?
Oh, we've been non-stop. Everyone's looking. We've been giving demonstrations of what the website actually looks like and talking about road trip routes non-stop all day.
Your favourite thing?
Well, I could talk all day about motorhomes and camper vans anyway.
Yeah,
so.
I know. Yeah, me too. Well, have a great show. We're going to get out your hair because there's a queue of people behind the camera trying to get to talk to you as well.
Oh,
so have a lovely show.
Thank you.
And we'll catch up later in the week, see how you're getting on.
Really good to talk to you.
And
Thanks for coming over.
Thank
have
you.
a good show. Thank you, everyone.
I've just been to see my good friend Anna at uncoverbritain.com, who create road trips for UK holidays, and Anna has given us a discount code which will give you 50% off the normal annual fee. It's not $29.99, it's half price. Just use the code MotorhomeMatt and you will get 50% off the annual fee. Really kind of Anna to do this, but there's a catch. There's only 50 available. So get in quick, use the code MotorhomeMatt and save 50% on your British road trip adventures.